I want to go ahead and show y'all how this wet dry vacuum looks. So this is it. This is the Tineco iFLOOR 3 Breeze something. I don't know. I'll put it in the description box if you want to check it out. This is how it looks. It comes with 2 rollers. There's one here and there's an extra one. There's also 2 filters because you do have to let them completely dry. This is the dirty water tank here. And this is a clean water tank. I went ahead and filled it up and put some of this solution in it. I'll show you. This is the cleanest solution that goes in there. So I put a cap full of that. And this is how it looks. It's so easy to use. This is like the power button. And then if you want to mop, you'll press that button. But yeah, I really do like it. So I'm going to show y'all. I'm about to mop my bedroom because I rearranged it yes again. So when I get in there, I'll show you. All right, y'all. So I am in my room. I went ahead and rearranged my room yesterday. I'll show y'all a little bit after, but first, I haven't mopped my floors in a while. Excuse the lighting. It just ain't no sunshine, y'all. But I'm gonna go ahead and like mop the floor and see how much dirt it picks up. Hopefully y'all can see this, okay? All right, that's that first little spot. My room honestly don't look like it's dirty, but yeah, we're gonna see. I'm gonna do this little part real quick. Not me vacuuming up the charger, y'all. But anyways, that's pretty much the room. All right, y'all, so I'm done with my bedroom. There's just one little corner I didn't get on the other side of the room, but this is a dirty water tank, so it's pretty dirty. Not too bad though, but definitely needed to be mopped. So this is what it picked up. I'm going to dump this out. I'm not gonna go ahead and rinse it just yet because I still gotta do the other side, but I just want to show y'all how it worked.